The new ZEMAN system, the revolution in steel construction. Standard rolled sections have always been used for structural steel work. They are easy to handle. Static values are standardized. Design and production are simple. They are standard solutions for details. However, the other side of the coin is that they have considerable disadvantages. Big differences in weight between the various dimensions result in uneconomic design weight. Individual sections may be used to achieve a reduction of weight. These can be wider and thus lighter. Despite the costly placing of stiffeners, they still tend to buckle if their depth is increased. This is the characteristic problem of plain webs. Web plates containing only a few plain sections or none at all would be ideal. ZEMAN engineers have found the solution: corrugated web plates which allow a considerable reduction of weight and a simultaneous increase in load capacity. Through automation of all processes and the latest robot technology for welding, ZEMAN truly revolutionized steel construction. The automated ZEMAN system. Let's look at a plant in operation now. The web plates are fed through the uncoiler. Optimal adjustment to any specific requirements is our professed aim. Therefore, a sheet-splitting appliance was mounted after the shear for the production of various depths of web from the same coil widths. The web plates get their sinusoidal corrugation in the next station. The flange sheets prepared for the respective order are stacked in appliances at the sides. Grasping devices drag them into supply position. Together with the ready-made, shaped and corrugated flange sheets, they are transported longitudinally to the assembly station. There they are taken up in open position. In a fully automated process, roller jaws adjust the flange sheets and secure them in the correct position. The flange sheets are hydraulically moved to the center and pressed to the web plate. In terms of production technology, the most difficult part of the production process is the welded connection between the web and the flange sheets. Perfect fit of the weld seams is achieved by laser metering and recording of their exact course for the welding procedure. The robots alone execute this measurement, as they won't rely on anyone else but themselves in this. For tracing the course, they move back and forth along both sides of the beam. With the laser record, the two robots practically weld both sides of the beam simultaneously at a speed of 1 meter per minute. At the same time, the next beam is being put together at the front of the production line. After finishing the welding process, the robots return to their original position. The jaws release the workpiece and the newly completed blank beam is transported longitudinally to the release station. This station is equipped with a transverse conveyor, which after lowering the longitudinal transport rollers, takes up the newly arrived beam and puts it aside. The following beam is welded simultaneously after self-check and self-cleansing of the blowpipes. Let's briefly summarize the advantages of the system. Fully automated control. Optimized dimensions of the beam to exactly meet the requirements. No scrap as produced on demand. Therefore minimal production costs. A wide range of beam dimensions can be produced in one and the same production line. The product name ZEMAN system is derived from the characteristic sinusoidal profile of the web. The amazing weight reduction, a special feature of the ZEMAN system, opens up a wide scope of applications. All kinds of beams, columns, frame structures, bridge structures, crane bridge girders, to name but a few. Practical application proves this in many a case. ZEMAN steel construction is mechanical engineering of the highest standard, paired with decades of experience and know-how.